Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. In this week's video I'm going to continue the series where I draw characters from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Last time we did Bebop and Rocksteady, and this week I'm going to draw Shredder. And he's a mean guy, so that will be a lot of fun. So let's turn around the camera and let's start drawing. Shredder is a fictional supervillain who appears in the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle comics and all of its related media. Shredder was created by Kevin Eastman and Peter Laird and first appeared alongside the Turtles in Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles #1 in May 1984. In every incarnation of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle franchise, he is depicted as the leader of the criminal organization known as the Foot Clan, and serves as the arch-enemy of the Turtles and Splinter. In 2009, Shredder was ranked as IGN's 39th greatest comic book villain of all time. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Shredder's physical appearance remains fairly consistent in most incarnations of the character. He is a muscular Japanese man, most frequently seen in the Shredder persona, wearing a suit of armor vaguely based on that of a samurai, sometimes with a cape. As weapons, he uses steel claws that are attached to his arm. They have several extendable blades and seem to be incredibly strong. Now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked my drawing of Bebop and Rocksteady, and if you guys liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me in this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye.